G'day guys, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do when you first pick up a nice expensive motorcycle like this. And it's a very Australian thing to do. As soon as you get your license or your first vehicle, you head down to Mcdonald's and you go through drive-through. That's how you christen your vehicle down under. And the quick shifter is really nice as well. You'll actually only find yourself using the quick shifter really high up on the RPMs. So when you're just cruising around street, you won't really be using it that much, which is what in my experience anyway. Look how good the weather is. Oh my lord. It's only 10:50 AM here in Australia and it is already 30 plus degrees. So, and it's actually, by the time I'm recording this, it's New Year's Eve. So our Christmas down under is really hot usually. You don't see snow or anything. It's just beach shorts and beach weather. Here we go. What should I get, boys? I actually don't know what to get. I don't even know if the drive-thru will pick up my motorcycle. Let's have a look.
How can I see you?
Hey, can I just grab a double bacon and egg McMuffin meal, please?
Yeah, what's that? What drink do you have?
Can I get a bottle of water?
What, anything else?
That's all.
Yeah, we'll go just have one through.
Thank you. Alright, we must put it in track mode for optimal performance. The only problem I'm finding with this bike is when the engine is running, it's really hard to find neutral. I don't know why that is. If someone does, please let me know. I'm probably going to take it down to the mechanics next week, so he'll be able to tell me what the hell is going on. Look, it always goes to, it prefers second. Take my glove off so I can pay and stuff. I don't even know how I'm going to carry this. Hey there.
Thank you.
It's on card, please. If I could put the card back in my pocket. Hey, thank you. I'm just gonna shove it in my jacket. Give me 1 sec. Yeah. Thanks, man. Nice. Ready to rumble. Still got my glove here. I look so silly. I've just got a water bottle and a whole McDonald's meal just shoved in there. Looks real silly. Yeah, I need to fix this. I'll just stop here for a sec. No biggie. Oh no, my glove's coming apart. Man. Yeah. I'll go this way probably. But yeah, so that's the first thing you've got to do in Australia. You head down to McDonald's as soon as you've got a nice vehicle, and you have to christen it by getting something from drive-thru. Now, gotta be careful around here. This suburb is renowned for old men getting angry at young motorcyclists like myself. Oh, stop speeding there, fellas. Probably don't need to be in track mode. Like, it's a bit extreme going through the suburbs. So let's go ahead and actually get out of it. Close the grip, there we go. I'll put it in sport mode. Done. Let's go, let's go. Come on. Jesus Christ! You can never really get used to how quick this bike is. Oh, please stay green, please stay green. Ah, see, if I was on a little bike, I wouldn't have made that. I'm probably going to end it there, so stay tuned if you want to see more of this bad boy, and see you later.